Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. This is a 4-cylinder inline sport bike, liquid cooled with fuel injection. Really nice condition. Only 7,000 miles on this beauty. Got some nice upgrades. Frame sliders, fender eliminator kit, Yoshimura exhaust. It's got some spools on the rear swing arm so you can put it on your track stand to maintain the chain and sprockets. We're putting 2 brand new tires on this bike. Come by, make your sport bike dreams come true for just $54.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We're going to put 2 mirrors on this bike. This is in fantastic condition, very low mileage for an 07. We have financing available, extended service contract. We have insurance. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. 2007 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R, just $54.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.